What's up, my crypto legends? In this video, we're taking a look at Bitcoin. We did take a look at this diamond reversal pattern on yesterday's live stream, but we actually broke resistance of this diamond pattern, finally reaching the target. About 90% of the target, as you can see, was hit here, hitting that $39,700 range, just slightly below that level. Now, what is going to happen now for Bitcoin? Because we are hitting critical resistance, we are hitting major resistance, looking at the VPVR, major fib levels. All of this is going to be mentioned in today's video, and a bigger pattern could be forming on the higher time frames, and I'm going to show you in this episode. Hello there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus. New to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Daily take on Bitcoin crypto. Also do live streams to connect with the community, not financial advisor. Let's dive in here straight into the content, guys, because I just want to keep this a quick video for BTC. Yesterday on the live stream, we were talking about this diamond reversal pattern that usually they do break to the downside, okay? But this is why it's called a diamond top or a diamond bottom, for looking for that reversal. But you could see the bullish case scenario also, just like we saw yesterday, where you do break the resistance from the lower highs here, looking at the very low time frame. This on the 30-minute. We can take a look at the 15-minute. Okay, doesn't really matter, but you could see that formation, all right, with the big volume at the center of the diamond, and this is what we want to see, all right, on this pattern. Now, the target is getting the width of the diamond, right, from the center bit, from the spike to the lower part, and from the center bit you can actually take a look, you know, the potential target from the breakout, which is around about this 39.7k level. We just hit this range to perfection, and now it looks like we're potentially going to create a double top or maybe a swing failure pattern in the next couple of hours. Something that we need to pay attention, because this is huge resistance, and I want to show you how we potentially could reverse from this range. Okay, now target was basically hit. I would say 95% of this target, definitely a take profit area right over here, because it's big resistance. It's a big major daily level, as you can see here in the green. Why is it a daily level? Let's zoom out here. Just a quick explanation, because, you know, if I have my levels marked up, I want to explain why they are good levels. All right, this is a daily level from here, the 15th and 16th of March, as you can see. Sorry, I'm wrong. This is not the one. The daily level is right over here from the 17th and 18th of April. As you can see, daily close and open at this range. We perfectly hit it to perfection and got that slight rejection from this range. Now we're going to go through the sponsor segment of this video, Margix exchange platform. Now I do see a lot of people starting to use it. Is gaining popularity and in massive volume. It has a combined liquidity of 12 plus exchanges in one place, so you don't need to worry about their liquidity. Bank grade multi-chain layer security, and no personal data are required, so no KYC. You just need an email and a password. You can start in less than 2 minutes. Now, if you join with my link in the description, you get a $50 bonus to pay trading fees and deposit 0.004 plus BTC. You will get an additional $50 worth of bonus. That is less than $200 deposit in Bitcoin. You're getting $50 on top of that. Once you sign up, this is going to take you to this interface. They use the trading view chart. As you can see, you have the drawing tools. They have a bunch of cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, XRP, Litecoin. They have Solana. Okay, they do have a bunch of cryptos to trade with. At the left here, you do place your orders, the percentage, the amount of leverage, buy or sell the market. Right, you have the order book, so you can take a look at the orders, of course, and your position history, active orders. Now here on wallet is where you are going to deposit or withdraw. Very simple to use. Now you can use Visa or MasterCard, of course, to purchase Bitcoin or any of these cryptos available on the platform. On settings, you just change your language, you improve your security, you have your referral program here also if you want to refer to some people and gain some rewards. And here at support, basically you have a live chat. If you have any issues with the platform, you'll be getting in contact with somebody of the support team, and you have video tutorials, of course, to learn how to use 100% of the platform, as you can see with these video tutorials. So not much to add here on Margix. Super nice, easy platform, gaining in popularity. All right, they do support over 100,000 trades per second, and they do not have any scam wicks. You can check the charts on Ethereum, Bitcoin. You will not see any scam wicks here. So this means it is super, super legit with their trading, guys. You have an insane bonus down below. Make sure to claim it. Let's continue with this video. So if we zoom back in here on the 30-minute chart, okay, I just want to show you, right? We're getting hit by that level. And what is happening right now? Well, we are basically still in a kind of a downtrend, right? We are in a downtrend. Remember the scenario that we have been speaking about the last couple of days? We got a broadening wedge, okay? Let me just go to the 4 hourly here and go through the higher time frames first, just to show you this kind of broadening wedge that we do have here, creating slightly lower lows, and we do have, you know, these higher highs, all right? And this is coming from a big massive downtrend. Like I said, this could be a broadening wedge bottom when we having the touches to perfection here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and potentially we are at the 5 that could take us all the way above $42,500 in the next coming days potentially, all right? Now, let's analyze here the situation on the 30-minute chart, because it is true that we are in a downtrend. Let's not fight the trend, okay? Even though we do have some potential bullish case scenarios, what is happening right now on the 30-minute chart, okay, zooming in from the volume traded for the last, 6-7 days, all right, in between the 22nd, all right, till today, as you can see, we are hitting a major big point of control, big cluster of volume, okay, and coming from this retracement, as you can see, this is potentially going to be a lower high range. We are also hitting the 618 region, as you can see, from the highs, Fibonacci, to the lows. We are hitting that 618 area. We're hitting big cluster of VPVR. So, everything points out that we could get a swing failure pattern and, have a little bit of a retracement here. Now, the thing is, are we going to manage to create a higher low at this range, or are we going to come all the way down to retest the lows? Because, being clear for me, at resistance, having this run up, this is a shorting opportunity, right? I wouldn't look for longs here. I would be looking for shorts. And if I just zoom out here 1 second, we can see that the volume is pretty high from this downtrend. Volume is getting lower and lower while we're going up. Okay, we do have this diamond pattern with the huge volume in the middle, which is fine, but we can see that volume is going down while the price is going up. This is not good news coming from a downtrend. We could potentially reverse from here. Question is, are we going to retest the lows here, or are we going to manage to hit the 618, okay, from this low to the highs, hit the 618 range, okay, right over here? I'm talking about the 38.4K levels, all right? Hit that Fibonacci here, 618, and also hit this low over here, which might provide us some support also with the 618, and potentially create a higher low. Because if this scenario does happen, guys, there is a much bigger pattern that I want to show you. Let's just zoom out on the 1 hourly. If we do see that retracement to this level, and if we do create a higher low, okay, if we do start consolidating here, there is big major trading ranges with resistance and support levels, okay? I'm showing you the confluence. There is a possibility. I would prefer here to create a swing failure pattern, maybe try and attempt to hit the 39.9 or even the 40K levels. Maybe 39.9 would be nice, because if we do that and create a lower high, there is a possibility, as you can see here, we are creating, the slightly higher highs, these higher highs right there. We have the lower lows, all right? We are in this trading range. There's going to be a little bit of volatility in this level. If we start making this kind of price action, there is also a possibility, okay, if we do create that higher low right over here, hitting the 618, and get a bounce to the upside, this is going to be looking very good for a diamond bottom pattern, okay? Because everything points out, looking at this volatility that we do have at the center bit of this range. Let me just clean the chart here, because we have a little bit of too much noise here with all these lines and the Fibonacci. Let me just go to the 1 hourly chart. It would be much better to see. What we want to see in a diamond is a big spike in volume. The biggest spike needs to be in the middle, from the top to the bottom. All right, so this is the most important. Yes, we are seeing some volume here, but the highest point is the center of the diamond, as you can see. All right, the potential diamond still very, very soon. Now, if we start seeing that kind of price action, a potential swing failure pattern right over here, we're hitting major resistance. If we come back down, okay, start creating, this potential higher low. If we start seeing this price action, guys, then this will be the formation of the pattern, all right? And this could be extremely bullish. if we do start forming this in the next couple of days, all right, this is on the 1 hourly, so this is in between today and tomorrow for this potential formation. It's a potential scenario. It doesn't mean it needs to happen, but if it does, you know, diamond bottom, most likely scenario, potentially breaking up from the center bit. This could take us all the way up here to above $42,000. And as you know, we are looking also at this huge megaphone, you know, broadening bottom potential scenario. Okay, guys, this could very likely happen. We are seeing a potential recovery also in the traditional stock market, the S&P 500. So let's see what happens, guys. It's going to be interesting to see, all right, what kind of scenarios. So far, I am slightly bearish at this zone, okay? We could see a little bit of volatility here above the $39,700 range, getting a couple of wicks. I will be paying attention the next few hours, because if we start getting that volatility, that rejection, guys, remember, in the immediate short term, we are hitting huge point of control. We're hitting the 618 level, okay, as you can see from this massive big drop retracement with low volume coming in. The higher probability is to the downside here, and then we need to see if this low here, this 0.23 and also the 618 from this pump is going to hold for a higher low, and then, you know, things can get very exciting. We're going to have to see what is going to happen. This is going to be it for today's episode, guys. Make sure to stay safe, protect your positions, check out the Bitcoinsensus website. We have the latest news, technical analysis, ideas here on the website. Join our socials down below, and I'll see you in the next one.